Hey everybody, welcome back to another tutorial from North Brothers. My name is Norm Reynolds and today I'm going to take you through how to clone yourself in Photoshop and in Premiere Pro. We're going to go ahead and start with Premiere Pro, but if you want to jump ahead to the Photoshop component, feel free to jump ahead to this time right here. But then come back because I miss you. I miss you. Please come back to me. Diving right in here, you can see that I've got 3 clips loaded in. The first one here, that's my clean plate. That's the one that's revealed right now. Nobody's there. That's fine. Let's go ahead and reveal the layer above that. Boom. Norm number 1. Next, we've got other Norm. Hey, look at it's other Norm. When you're assembling your clips, it's going to be easiest if you can see them both at the same time. So you're going to set your top layer to 50% opacity, and it's going to look like you got 2 ghosts, which is fine. You'll see both ghosts-ish, kind of. It's like an ethereal thing. We'll just dive in. Make sure you're on the right layer. Knock it down to 50%, and oh! What is this? I'm literally beside myself. So how are we gonna do this? Go ahead and take the top layer here. We can set it back to 100%, and we're gonna mask it so that only this side's revealed. Something you're gonna wanna make sure of when you're setting up your shots is that you have a hard line between your subjects, or yourself and yourself, in this case. Because otherwise, it's just gonna make your life harder. Like harder than it already is. You're not gonna like it, you're not gonna have a good time. If you're not doing anything special, you're done. This is your whole clip. Now, if you're not adding any effects and your subjects are just in frame with each other, color grade, export, you're done. However, I'm looking to do a little extra because I want to. I'm not gonna take you through the special effects of it, but I'm just gonna show you the clean plate maneuver thing. Make myself appear there in the screen. You know, I'm gonna find the spot that I want to appear, keyframe my opacity, and bring it back down here. We'll probably adjust that, but here it is. That's already looking kind of cool, right? But who wants to see that cord? Not me, not this guy. Just mask. We're just gonna put in a mask on this guy too. Masks for everybody. It's Halloween up in here. All Hallows Eve. You're just stop it, Norman. Just like before, now we're doing the opposite side. Looking at 3 layers here. Look at it. Look at it! Are you looking? So I'm gonna play around with that in After Effects, and then I'm gonna throw a color grade on it, and it's all finished. Now we're finished that. Now we're jumping into the Photoshop component of this tutorial. If you're one of those people that jumped ahead to this part, I missed you. I knew I was gonna miss you as soon as you left, and then here I am missing you. Welcome back. Head right on into Photoshop where I've got my 3 thumbnail photos. I've got this spooky mug, and there's me trying to have a coffee, but I'm also taking the coffee. So let's see how we mash these 3 together. I'm gonna start with this teacup. Control C, Command C if you're a Mackie. New technical term for people that use Macintosh computers. Still called Macintosh or they just Macs? It's probably Macintosh. I don't care. Control Command C, copy that one, drop that on top. Boom, boom. I know I don't have to take up too much. What I do want to do is erase the stuff from this one that I don't need, and then I'll use Content Aware Fill to take care of the rest. Hit the L key to pull up my lasso. Any cowboys out there? What's it called? Is it lasso or lasso? Nobody knows. Shift F5 pulls up the fill menu. I want Content Aware. Not bad. Get rid of this little guy. And just like that, that arm never existed. Now we're gonna go ahead and add the final layer in, which is me again. It's just a whole lot of me in this episode. I've got my whole frame except for this extra character here. Give you a quick select tool go and while you're blending these layers together, you're really gonna wanna take your time. Make sure you pay attention to the details, get nice and close to those edges. Those are the things that are really gonna sell this. And there you have it. This composite is complete. I'm gonna color grade it, chop it up into a couple different aspect ratios, and make it the thumbnail for this video. Thanks for taking this ride with me. I mean, I really appreciate the company. I appreciate you, okay? Don't you forget that. But if you did like this video, feel free to hit that like button, knock that subscribe button and the bell to see more content when we post it, and have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful day. See you next time.